You know I love this shirt, right? It's Miles, like as in Spider-Man Miles. What is up, party people? Welcome back to Toria Topics. My name is Victoria, and today's topic is going to be about, I guess, more of a vlog of a DIY flower garden. Very cheap, very easy to do. Not by no means at all a gardener. I don't know what I'm doing really. A trip to HEB and a trip to the Dollar Tree, and here I am updating my little garden. I had like a little mud pit, and I took that mud pit and turned it into something that looks a little bit more inviting, a little bit more homey. So if you want to see how I did that, just keep watching. What is up, you guys? Welcome back to Toria Topics. If you're new here, welcome. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and go ahead and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss any of my new videos. I plan on doing a lot of different things, so stick with me and we're gonna have fun and learn some stuff. Today's episode is going to be about me redoing, I guess, my garden that's in my front yard. So it looks pretty dry and dusty, and I just wanted to do something with it. I wanted my outside to just look a little bit better, look a little more inviting, and I've been wanting to do this for a while. I've been living in this same duplex for some years now, but I just never had the time to do it. Obviously, I have a lot more time now, so I decided I wanted to do that today. So I went to HEB, I went to Dollar Tree, and I picked up a few things. I think this project, it couldn't have cost me more than about $30 or $40 with everything included. I'll probably try to add it up and see exactly how much I paid for it all. But I only went to 2 places, and for the most part, everything was pretty cheap, and I got almost everything I wanted. But if you do want to see how I accomplished this small, easy, beginner-friendly flower bed, keep watching. Hey you guys, I want to change this. Sammy, get out.
Hold on, let me see if I can take a picture of it.
Come on. on, bro. I got 5 of those, I think, each.
So how do you want to put them?
This one? Oh no, it's behind that. It's right here. No, I got 5 and 6. I got weird numbers, but I just got some.
You got 6?
I got 5 of these. I don't know why. I got 5 of them. And I got 6 of these little ones. So I can stagger them. Put one right here. Because these are a little bit taller. So I'm going to put those a little taller. Like this. Wasn't ready in here.
Funny, I remember doing it when I was in elementary school. Like they had a whole bunch of plants and we had to pick one. And we went outside and we dug a hole in this yard and like when everybody was playing outside. It was like a big, like it was nice there, you know. Big old garden.
Can you hand me that little whole thing? Whatever it's called. Thank you again for watching. It has been a great episode. I hope that you guys learned something. Tell me what you think about my little garden. What can I add? Have you done any gardens? Let me know in the comments, okay? And if you haven't already subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. I have so many more good videos for you, so many things to learn. Till next topic, y'all. Peace.